Has life pranked you and your stump grinder just won't start? I'm not laughing. Are you? Let's get her running. See if she runs. Is this the key or what? This makes no sense. He said it was clicking. Let's check the battery. Got a nifty little tool here. Check power and voltage all at the same time. Let's see. 11.5. Well, it says 12 volts. We got some voltage. All right, do we have voltage to the starter? Let's figure this out. Little up tap. All right, got it grounded. Let's check her out. Well, got power there. All right, let's see if we can jump her out here. Let's see. Let me get a screwdriver. All right, let's see what happens. I'm not getting nothing. Starter's doing nothing. Do we have enough power here? Let's give the starter a little tickle. We're gonna give the starter a little tickle, a little motivational speech. And now, nothing. Maybe she needs a little bit more speech, a little bit more motivation. They like motivation. How about now? How about now? How about now? Now? Alright, she does not want to. It's been sitting a while. She might need a little love. How about just a couple more taps? And now. Alright. Next. Alright. I don't know where I got this. I don't remember when, but it's Idea Play. Idea Play? Let's see if I can. It says 100% charged. Idea Play. If I can figure out the whatever boost this is, I'll let you know. Idea Play. We're gonna hook her up. We're gonna start her a little extra boost. See if we can't get her to spin around. Well, I do believe when I read the instructions, something should turn green. There should be a green light, and I'm not seeing it. And then once it's running, there's a red light, and that's when you unplug it. I'm gonna plug this into my car and see if it works there. All right, this thing is really bugging me. Let's see if this does anything. Not that my car battery's dead, I just want to see if where this green light is that's supposed to happen here. Oh my lord, I got out the instructions. Let's see. Connect the battery. Connect the automotive. Check the LED light on the battery jumper clamp is green. No, it's not green. Start the vehicle. Where's my green light? Come on, man. All right, starting over. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Ooh, there we go. Something new's happening. Something new's happening. Ooh. So red to red. Ooh, okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. Oh, okay. Let's go jump start junk. Okay, we're on to something now. Look at that. All right. Let me get it on in there. Okay. Come on, stupid. Okay. And it's green. Hopefully it's got a little extra boost. Oh, my Lord. This is too much like work. Ooh. That did something. Do that again. That sounded stronger. What happened? Oh, it needs a little more loving. I got it. We're just gonna give it a few love taps. Just a couple. Just a couple. Just a couple little love taps. How about now? How about now? Oh, it turned off. Well, I'll be. All right, I reset that. Come on, Soko. Bring the thunder. Bring the thunder. The runner. Gotta give it a couple love taps. Oh yeah. He's a runner. Still says 100%. That's shocking. All right. Make sure she's working now. Oh yeah. The starter just sits outside, so it just needed a little loving. Then I beat on it. I beat on it. And then I beat on it some more. Please like and subscribe.